Get a beautiful glow on your face with these. This pack benefits in skin lightening or whitening, eliminating suntan, treating acne, anti-aging, and many more. Boil rice. A boil rice is the skin's way of cleansing itself of unwanted toxins. It can brighten your skin. It can boost skin barrier health. It soothes sunburn and irritation. Blend the rice in a blender machine. Rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals, which help in solving various skin problems. It contains allantoin and antioxidants, due to which the skin is bright and vibrant. A potent skin-clearing agent, has been hailed by many Korean and Japanese skincare regimes for its acne-reducing qualities. Add Glycerin Few Drops. Glycerin can help moisturize and protect the skin. By drawing moisture to the top layer of skin, glycerin helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and keeps skin looking soft and smooth. It helps to relieve dryness and make the skin soft and smooth. Glycerin keeps skin hydrated and supple, promotes anti-aging, helps skin heal. Glycerin uses for face helps remove dead skin cells. It also cleanses. It helps hydrate the skin tone, treat sun tanning, and prevent sun damage. Add coconut oil. Coconut oil for skin has been known to help reduce dark spots, soothe facial redness, and help to fix an uneven skin tone. As one of the benefits of coconut oil for skin is that it helps to increase the natural production of collagen. This helps to improve skin elasticity for firmer skin. Coconut oil may benefit your skin in a variety of ways. It may help moisturize your skin, relieve inflammation, accelerate wound healing. Using coconut oil helps maintain moisture and prevent protein loss from combing damage. Research shows that skincare products formulated with coconut oil may help to improve the look of dry, rough skin. Pinch of turmeric. Turmeric skin benefits. Helps brighten dark spots. Dark spots and dark under eye circles are very normal but can be difficult to get rid of. Mix well. Helps fade skin scars. Brings out the glow. Anti-aging properties. Moisturizes dry skin. Turmeric works as a skin lightening agent for your skin. The curcumin in it reduces the excess melanin production and lightens your skin tone. Turmeric is not just a cosmetic ingredient, it's an overall skin remedy. It not only helps in perking up the external layers, it has also been known to help with skin dermatitis, irritation, and other skin inflammations. Face pack with rice has the power to cleanse your skin and moisturizes it thoroughly. This face mask is very effective for acne-prone skin. Rice face pack for skin whitening, skin brightening, removing suntan. Mix everything together and apply on the face. Leave it to dry for 15-20 minutes before rinsing. This face mask to get rid of all skin problems such as acne, glowing skin, pigmentation, wrinkles, and many more. Boil rice products are good for the skin as they help hydrate the skin tone, treat sun tanning, and prevent sun damage, giving your skin a bright and natural glow. Using them regularly may make your skin as clear and blemish-free as glass. Rinsing it with warm water. Repeat twice a week for a naturally glowing skin. Subscribe.